dropped my phone. I'm out here in the White Mountains, Arizona, just outside of Pine Top, where I live. And I thought I would take my 1978 XL250s for a test ride. I just got this about a month ago. Changed the oil, and I need to get it hot and test it, see if it's gonna be reliable. And so far it's checked out pretty good. I've been gone for about 45 minutes. Just fixed it up. Bought a used 1980, well, obviously used 1980 XR 250 and switched out some of the parts. The fender, the handlebars, the exhaust pipe mainly, because the one that was on this bike was cracked in half and rusted out, which I guess is pretty common for these things. Airbox, carburetor, the side covers. I actually like these side covers better, but I kept all the original stuff. So there you go.